Folks, Rick Amey here from Kingston, Ontario, Canada. What? Salute, peace, thumbs up, Canadians, Americans, the world. Okay, we're all nothing but Facebook freaks. We're all nothing but Facebook freaks. I'm getting soaked. Well, I got soaked going to the bank here. Peace, love, salute. Peace, some kisses for the girls, some for the guys. You guys see what do we got here? Oh, we got 30 seconds. So look, everybody take care, have a great day, eh? Yeah, I left my umbrella at home. Pretty noisy out here right now. What? The sun. There was a full moon. Time we got here. Oh, still got plenty of time, eh? So yeah. Ottawa said Kingston's weather was going to be nice, eh? Hey, it always does it. I get out here, I get soaked, and half an hour later the sun shines. Anyway, you guys be good. Take care. Peace out. Have a great one. Bye-bye.